Earlier today I talked about how humbling it is out here, and it really is. You know, even my camera, I have to keep switching the batteries out because they get too cold and they won't work. It just keeps dying, so you have to basically keep batteries in your pocket and have to keep switching them out to keep it warm. And I can't even record a video down near the water right now because the wind is coming off the mountains and then over the pond so much that you can't even hear me talk. And it's getting cold. It's supposed to get down to 14 tonight. The first night hiking in was actually, it was gorgeous. It was probably about 37 to 40. I mean, it was really comfortable, and it's supposed to get down to about 14 Fahrenheit or even colder tonight. So, you know, I talked about it being humbling, and it really is. You know, especially right now, I just went for about 10-minute hike by myself. Steve went for a little hike in the opposite direction, and Nate's in his hammock. And it's crazy out here, you know, because you can't, if you slip and fall or something happens, it's on you. Like, you can't just, you know, my cell phone is back at camp. I have no reception here anyway, so you can't just pull out your phone and say, hey, you know, can you pick me up? I skimmed my knee or broke my leg or something. You know, you have to figure it out. And especially so if you walk away from camp or whatever you do, there the camera goes again. That's how cold it is. It just, the camera does not want to work right now. Yeah, it's just humbling, you know, when you're out here. If you walk away from camp, you have nothing but basically what's on your body, and if you get hurt, you got to find your way, you know, back, or miles and miles from the car and stuff like that. And it's fun. That's why I like it, because it's so challenging. And if you couldn't go to the grocery store and you didn't have heat in your house and stuff like that, you know, and you had to live out in the woods like this, how would you do? It's a cool kind of question to ask yourself. And I think it's good for everyone to learn, you know, even just basic survival tips and different things like that, you know, how to start a fire, how to make a shelter out in the woods and stuff like that, just out of sticks, and how to survive even out in the mountains in the winter. It's supposed to get really cold tonight, so I hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's been nice having you guys come along with me, and I love the fact that I can share my lifestyle with people. I know I have someone, this kid Quinn from Hong Kong, this kid Noah from Australia, Hay Bales, another girl, she's from England. You know, people from all over who've been sending me messages and watching my videos, and it's just kind of cool to interact and share my lifestyle and everything like that with people. And I just appreciate you guys tagging along and all your comments and liking my videos and subscribing and stuff like that. I hope you're enjoying them. And this has been it's been a fun trip. Tonight it's about to start to get tough. It was, you know, we hiked in, it was nice and warm, but it's going to be tough tonight. It's going to be winter camping. So, anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching, and challenge you guys. Maybe go out and just try to learn some basic stuff, or find someone who knows basic survival tips and how to start a fire and things like that. And there's tons of videos on YouTube if you look up bushcraft and things like that. There's so many videos, but, you know, do it with a friend, or never come out. I wouldn't come out camping alone, you know, go with someone. It's so much more fun, and it's a lot safer. And anyway, I gotta get back to camp. Everyone's gonna be wondering where I am, so yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good.
Alright, so here's Bobby. He's going to
Heading off to the right.
Not bad, boys. Not bad. This is where we've been dragging all of the logs up this muddy slope here. Goes all the way up through the woods, and it just keeps going and going and going. Alright, so what do you guys think? You think we got enough firewood? I think we'll be good for the night and tomorrow. Yeah, we got all of this stuff. And then all of this. So, that'll be good though, because it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight, so. We are all making dinner. I've got some those taco things in there. Got some stuffing. Steve's trying a mountain house. It's really getting windy out here. Alright guys, so it's the end of day 2. Getting ready to go to bed. I knew that was coming. That's Steve, he's still outside. I'm all hunkered down here, about to go to bed. It's been a good day. It's been a rough day. It's really windy tonight. It's gotten a lot more cold. It's actually snowing a little bit. But it's good. I'm full, I'm warm, I'm happy. We had quite a workout today, cutting all that wood and whatnot, shooting guns, and it's been a good day. Steve's outside playing the flute. I'm trying to sleep, and he's playing the flute. So it's about 1:30, and the wind is just really bad. It's just tearing through the mountains right now. It's like it's starting to snow out there, and it's getting pretty fierce out there. It's pretty cold. Steve's outside. Apparently the moon looks like crazy cool. But just hunkering down. I'm in my sleeping bag. I'm at 0 degree. I'm pretty warm in here, but my sleeping bag is, my tent is just, the thing is just flying all around with the wind the way it is right now. So it's gonna be a long night. It's about 4 a.m. and there's ice crystals in the inside of my tent all the way along there, and then also on the inside of my bivvy the ice crystals have formed, which has made my sleeping bag a little damp, which isn't good at all. Not really. I didn't really expect that to happen. Now the bivvy's really good because it keeps my sleeping bag dry. You can literally during the summer just sleep just in a bivvy, even if it's raining. You can just like plop this thing down with a sleeping bag and it protects it. But I don't know, for some reason inside of this started forming the ice crystals. And it got it's a little damp, so just all part of the experience. I'm so warm though, nice and toasty. So we'll see. Good morning. It is freezing out here. It's beautiful, but it is absolutely freezing. Got a fire going. I only cut my finger once. Always better than dying.
You hear it? What was that?
Alright guys, so we're just about to leave, and I'm going to end the video here, but appreciate you guys coming along and hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe. Instagram's in the link below. Remember to like the video. And I will talk to you guys later.